Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how you can create professional YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT and AI tools. No design skill, no problem. Whether you are a beginner or expert creator, AI can make your thumbnail stand out effortlessly. So let's jump right in. So, if you ask me why using AI for thumbnails, well, AI tools like ChatGPT can generate creative ideas, suggest color schemes, and even provide design layouts. And with AI generators like DALL-E, Canva AI, or Photoshop AI tools, you can create eye-catching thumbnails in a minute. So that's why we are trying to build something with AI. Okay, I give it a command how to create an app using ChatGPT or AI. That's my video next video topic. I want a thumbnail for this video. Okay, let's see what it can do. Oh, that's a fantastic result. I gave it a 10 out of 7. I like it, but in a mobile frame it's something bad. Okay, no problem. I can use that for my next video thumbnail. How can you create a app using ChatGPT? So if you like my this video and if you like this type of content, you can subscribe my channel and wait for my next video. I will upload that tomorrow or after that. So I want to my thumbnail little bit more realistic and eye-catchy, so I give it a new command of this: create a realistic thumbnail for this particular video. Let's see what it can do. I didn't expect to that much good, but ChatGPT has improved a lot, so that's good. Let's see what it can generate now. Oh, this one is amazing. Seriously, this one is amazing. Just this mobile frame, I don't want that in frame. Okay, yeah, I can make mistake. That's normal. But if you okay, now I can give this a command for my this video: how to create a thumbnail using ChatGPT or AI. Let's see what ChatGPT can generate for my this video thumbnail. If I like that, I use that for my this video thumbnail. Okay, it's taking a lot of time. It's taking 30 to 50 seconds. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. I like it. I will give them a credit. Okay, okay. Thanks for watching, guys. So in my next video, I will create an app using ChatGPT only. So stay tuned.